And then with greens, they're coming from out the ground, so it may be, but a lot of people don't eat them because they say, oh, they had a bad experience with them being gritty, or uh, a pest may have still in it. You have to wash them. It be spiders and everything on greens. I mean, fresh greens, you have to just gotta wash. So I don't eat everybody greens because everybody don't know how to cook greens. So you have to wash them. And I'm not eating anything that's out no bag. And you told me it was no disrespect. I think that's great, but I'm not eating it out the bag like that. I have to wash it myself because in my mind, I don't know if they how well it was washed. So you can say I'm funny acting on that one. Yeah, I'm a little funny acting when it comes to the food.